full day alkaline diet plan that will help you to lose weight fast. This diet plan is unique as it is oil and sugar free, onion and garlic free, and alkaline diet. This meal plan is easy to follow and is made with easily available inexpensive ingredients. This will give good results if you follow all the instructions strictly. Let us start. Welcome to Sathvik Lifestyle. Start your day with 1 cup of normal water or water stored in copper vessel overnight. Benefits of drinking water stored in copper vessel are: it boosts immunity, balances all three doshas, it detoxifies the body, promotes weight loss, and kills harmful microbes. After this, go for walk or do simple yoga poses for 30 to 60 minutes. After walking or after yoga practice, you can have your morning refreshing drink, that is ashgourd juice. This is one of the best alkaline drink and detoxifier. It helps to lose weight fast. How to prepare ashgourd juice? The link is in the description box below. After half an hour to 1 hour, have breakfast. For breakfast, you can have bowl full of watermelon or papaya. These fruits are full of enzymes and vitamins and help your body to stay energized and alkaline. For lunch, prepare high protein millet porridge. During noon, as per Ayurveda, your digestive fire or pitta will be in its peak. To prepare millet porridge, pre-soak any one of the grade 5 millets for 6 to 8 hours. Select any one of the millet, wash it once and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Heat 2 to 3 cups of water in a vessel. Here I am using millet soaked water and bring it to boil. Add soaked millet, half cup of sprouted moong and 1 spoon of soaked fenugreek. With stirring in between, cook it very soft. Green moong and millet both are high in protein and low glycemic index and high fiber, helps you to feel fuller and lose weight fast. Now it has cooked perfectly. Let us check. For this, add 2 cups of fresh coconut milk. Coconut milk not only enhances the taste but also gives you good cholesterol and healthy fatty acid. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and bring it to boil. Once you get bubbles, small bubbles, switch off the flame and serve hot. Here I am serving it with a spoon of fresh desi ghee. This is purely optional. You can skip this. For evening, depending upon the climate, have fresh tender coconut water or you can have tulsi tea. How to prepare tulsi tea? The link is in the description box below. For dinner, to get best results, finish the dinner between 6:30 to 7 p.m. and night your digestive fire will be very low. So go for raw vegetables like cucumber or carrots. Or if you are not comfortable with the raw vegetables, then you can go for sorted vegetables. For this, I have shared a simple recipe, but you can use any vegetables of your choice. In a pan, heat cumin seeds. When they splutter, add chopped bottle gourd and carrot. Bottle gourd is more of watery and is an alkaline vegetable. Add 1 string of curry leaves, pinch of turmeric and add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Give a good mix. Here I have not added oil or water. Put the flame to lowest and stir for few seconds. Cover a lid and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and stir once and cook on low flame. Repeat the procedures till the vegetables are crispy or partially cooked. Once it is done, It is done now. Switch off the flame and garnish with handful of grated fresh coconut. Avoid heavy spices. Give a good mix and serve hot. For bedtime, have a cup of turmeric tea. How to prepare turmeric tea and the benefits of turmeric tea, I have already uploaded a video. The link is in the description box below. For best results, keep hydrated yourself with 3 to 3.5 liters of water. Always drink water from glass or steel bottle or container. Avoid plastic bottles. Avoid dairy, processed foods, sugar, caffeine, white rice, fried items completely. This diet plan is good for thyroid and PCOS cases also. This meal plan is designed to lose up to 2 kgs of weight while cleaning your system while boosting energy. With this diet plan, you are not just eating to lose weight, you are eating to improve your gut health, stabilize blood sugar, help your body to return more balanced state. Do try this meal plan and share your results with me. If you find this video useful, then please hit like button and share with needy people. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then.